Are you also one of the guys who missed out the session's lifetime deal because this is the unclear whenever and whether this tool lifetime deal is came back or not? But let me tell you a secret, you can still get the sessions lifetime deal here. Don't believe me? Let me show you out. So this is the lifetime deals available right now, but this is the secret because it is even not disclosed on official website. You can see this is the sessions official website, or I am on the pricing page, and you cannot find any the lifetime deal information here. Although you can get the monthly and the only annually subscriptions, but you cannot get to see lifetime deals. So in this video I am going to talk about what is the sessions, how you can still get its lifetime deal with the 20% extra discount that I am going to share you soon, and I will talk about the new user interface, new features and the new functions. So hey guys, this is Basant here and I'm really excited to talk about. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first let me talk about how you can get this sessions lifetime deal here, because on the official page you cannot find it, but you can still get it here. You can see this is the upgrade plan, and if I click here you will see all the lifetime tier plans available. So how you can get them? So all you need to just go to the sessions, or you can get the link that I will share in the description of this video. From there you will also get a 20% discount. You have to click here on the try it for free. Okay, so you can get the sessions plan for free. You don't have to pay anything on front. After that you have to click here on the upgrade plan, and here you can start checking out all the lifetime tier plans available. So if I scroll below a little bit, you can see all the pricing plan comparison table available here. So I got upgraded to the tier 3 plan. Let me tell you why. So this is the tier 3 plan, and if I compare with the other previous plans like the tier 2 or tier 1, let me show why I got the tier 3. So let me scroll down, and here you can check it out. On the tier 3 plan we got the access for the webhook. So if you don't know what the webhook, you can create the automations. You can just fetch the data from one platform to another platform without doing any effort or the time consuming way. So just go to this your profile icon. Here you will find out the workspace settings, and here you can see the webhooks. So if I click here on the add a new webhook, you can see I can just trigger my automations whenever a new booking or the meeting created, event created, event updated, all these things. With the trigger I can create the automation, and this is going to make my things are really easy for my marketing ways or engaging the users furthermore with the meeting. Okay, so that's how you can use the your webhooks. That's why I suggest, if you have the affordability, go with the tier 3 plans, because it is going to be a really helpful in the super way in your upcoming time when you want to do the automations with your meetings. Okay, plus there are also so many things I'm really excited to talk about. So that's how you are going to get its lifetime deal. The link will be given in the description, and with that link you will get the also 20% discount on these plans here. Okay, now let me give you a tutorial and the demo of the sessions, new features, and how you can use the sessions. So this is the sessions dashboard. Let me go to here. On the dashboard you can see there are some shortcuts to start creating your meetings. Like you can create a session with this single click, you can schedule a session, or you can create a event. Okay, and if you have this some previous sessions have done already, like this one, it will start appearing up here. So let me click here on the start a session, and now it will instantly just create the meeting for me. So I'm going to talk you a little bit its features and give you the walkthrough. So you can see from here I can just enable and disable my camera and the mic. If I want to change the effects of the background, I can do it from here. I want to add the blur, I can do that. If I want to add some images in the background like professional looking, I can do it from here. I can also upload my custom image. Okay, here you can add your name. Let's click on the join now button, and let me give you the walkthrough how this dashboard look like. Okay, so first of all, here it will give you the meeting overview only for you, because you have created the instant meeting. If you have the scheduled meeting, you can share the link with the users, but if you have only created the instant meeting, you can see there's this invite button is, or invite option is showing up. So you have to click here on the invite and get the link and share with the people who you want to invite in this meeting. Okay, there's also the start a transcript. So if I click here, it is going to just record my words and show up the screens in the real time or a section. I will talk about it here. This is the transcript section where it will start showing up all the things I'm saying and recording in the meeting. Okay, so there are also few more things I want to talk about, like here you want to share the screen with the others. Okay, so you can do that. this is the your raise hand. Suppose your any one of the attendee asking a question, they can raise hand with that. Okay, then there's this some view you can change, like this is the view or checking out for the meeting. If I click on the gallery, I can change the view mode. For example, this is the gallery, now this is the spot mode, and this is the audience mode. I can also make it fit to screen or set selected for the view everyone. Okay, so there are so many viewpoints we have available to customize according to our needs. So let me go to the gallery mode. Okay, and one more thing I'm really excited to talk about, this is the share thing. Suppose you want to share the documents, PDF, a whiteboard, and the other things without switching the dashboard or the tab or going or the other platforms. So simply click here on the this share button, or you can also type Ctrl+K and these things will be appear. Like you want to share the file, click here. You want to open a link, click here. Embedded tool, click here. Suppose you want to use the whiteboard, so simply click here, and here you will find out the whiteboard. Along the whiteboard we have the Airtable, Adobe XD, we have the Broadmix, and so many great platforms integrations in the real time embed we can without switching the this dashboard or tab or going to the third party platform. So this is the again super cool feature I have found it in the sessions. And now if you want to chat with your team member, this is the option available. Simply click here and you can start chatting out. This is the adding your polls, questions, notes, and the takeaways. Okay, so I have showed you right now all this stuff. So one more thing I want to talk about. See, if I click here on the share button, you can see this is the agenda. So if I click here on the agenda, and if I have created the agenda previously, then I can share them, and just instantly I can add on my this meeting here. So it will make the super simple or super useful this meeting going on. Okay, so this is how your meeting will look like. If I click here on the leave session, means I am just leaving this session, and now let me go to the home. Its session is going to appear here. You can see this session is right now appearing here, and from here I can check it out how it's gone, what are the information I can get it here. In the memory, if you have recorded your session, it will start appearing up here. Okay, so you can see this is the session appearing, so I can check out this recording and find out all the informational stuff. Then this is the calendar where you can check it out your future meetings. If you have meetings done, all the things going on, scheduled meeting, basically you can check it out. And if I click here on the calendar connections, I can connect with the Google Calendar, Microsoft 365, or iCloud Calendar. So all the major platforms integrations available right now here. So suppose you don't have any booking meeting where you are going to accept the meetings, so how you can do that? So simply click here on the book me, and here you will find out the new booking page, and here you have to just add your booking name. Like I am going to make it a personal booking page. Okay, so here I have to add the description, from which time frame or the duration I want to select this meeting. So I will go with the 45 minutes. I can also make it custom from this custom setting. Then this is the email reminder. I can also enable the SMS reminder. For that I have to ask their numbers. Okay, then this is the schedule, for which time frames I want to just accept the meetings. I can customize it here. This is the agenda, which agenda will be for this meeting. So right now you can see this is my agenda options available. So if I have to simply click it here, and my agenda will be selected here. This is the form. I have asked you for the SMS meeting, you have to ask for the their mobile number. So how you are going to ask them in the form, like email, name, guest. If I click here the add new field, here I can just select the email, or sorry, I can create the custom field, and here I have to just add the phone number. I will go with the single choice multiple drop down text area. Okay, so I will add the phone number and click on the create field, and now it is added. So that's how you can even add the more things in the form. Then there are so many extra things available, like you want to give the access your participants for what kind of the actions you want to control, you can do it here. This is the participant permission, this is the widget, this is the automation, like email follow-ups, automatic transcripting, automatic recordings. You can enable or disable these things here. So this is the things you can do in the your booking page. Then this is the events. If you want to create the events, you can do it here. Okay, then this is the room section. If you want to create the evergreen rooms where the people come and go, here you can do that. This is the agenda. You want to create the agenda, you can do it here. This is the file section. Suppose you have the files that you are going to constantly reuse again and again in your meetings, so you can already store them in their in the sessions cloud storage here. This is for the document. This is the images, keynotes, numbers, PDF, images, sorry, pages. This is the presentation. This is the spreadsheet. This is the videos. All these things you can store here in this section and use according to your needs in your meeting. This is the tools section. I have showed you that there are so many integrations available between the tools here. So this is the option available. You have the YouTube integration, so here you can add or share your YouTube. This is the forms by session. This is the docs, forms, sheets, slides, speech, and there's so many other platforms integrations also available. So right now this is the good way to adding or just connecting your other platforms that you are going to use while in your meeting. Okay, and there are so many extra more features coming out in the later part or in the future. So this is the new version they have just recently added in the sessions. So if I click here, this version is the 2.14.4 here, and here you can check it out all the new things and the improvements they have done in their platforms. So they are constantly improving their platform with the new features, with the new things, so your meeting, recording, webinar things can be made easy. So with that, let me tell you what are the other platforms you are going to replace under the one hood or the dashboard with using sessions. So if I go to sessions official website here, this is the home page. If I scroll down below, you can check it out. Replace your entire meeting stack. So you can do the HD streaming and the meeting with the sessions, and you are replacing Zoom and the Google Meet. You are just scheduling your meetings with the it's a built-in calendrical booking page, and it is replacing the Calendly kind of the platform. You can do the workshops and the webinars. Then you are replacing the Luma or the Zoom or the Livestorm. Okay, then we have the AI meeting settings. Okay, so this is going to assistant that is going to help you a lot, because you can transcribe your meetings, you can do the summaries, you can add these agendas and the polls, and it is replacing your transcribe, Fireflies AI or the Open AI. It has the session engagement tools like the chat, questions, offer, and it is just replacing your Slido, webinar jam. Interactive agendas you can add like embedded slides, whiteboards, and the videos, and again it is replacing the Miro or the Docket. Real-time collaboration you can do with your team members or the users or your attendees, and this is replacing the Switchboard, Miro, this kind of the platform. So you can check it out, this single platform replacing so many platforms and saving ton of your money. So right now you can get this amazing platform with the lifetime deal with the extra 20% discount. All you need to just click the link given in the description, click here on the upgrade plan, and here you can check it out all the lifetime deals you want to enroll. And let me tell you, you can also, along with the email follow-ups, do the SMS follow-ups. So this is the SMS setup option available. Here you need to just click here, add a text SMS setup, and you can just customize it. There's the template available. All you need to just enable that template, and that is going to automatically send out the SMS. You don't need to do anything at all. Okay, so this is all about I want to talk about in this video. For the sessions lifetime deal, you can still get it, although it is ended on the AppSumo, but there's the way to get it, and that is I have said in this video. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel. And if you don't know, AppSumo is right now is selling with the plus day, means they are the along with the 15 or the 16 top selling popular tools right now available on this plus day sale. So you can also check them out. There's the link given in the description. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.